You think you're free? You think you control your life? Let me tell you something. You don't. Every choice you make, every dream you chase, every single thing you think belongs to you has already been decided. Not by you, but by people who understand your mind better than you ever will. You think you'll ever win? Think again. You think you're in control. You think you wake up and make your own choices. You think your goals, your dreams, even the things you buy, belong to you. But the truth is darker. The truth is, almost nothing in your life is really yours. Because every decision you've ever made was already shaped by someone else. You don't choose what you want. Your desires are engineered. You don't choose what to buy. Your attention is hijacked. And you don't even choose what to believe. Your beliefs were carefully placed in your head long before you ever questioned them. Look at the clothes you wear, the music you listen to, the slang you use. Did you really choose those things? Or did they slip into your mind because the world around you told you it was normal? Look at your phone. Every notification is a hook. Every scroll is a trap. Every platform is built to keep you addicted, not to make you smarter, not to make you freer, but to make you predictable. Predictable people are easy to control. You like to think you're too smart to be manipulated. But if that were true, why do billions of dollars pour into ads every single year? Because it works. It works on everyone. It works on you. And it doesn't end with products. It's bigger. It's in politics. It's in the news. It's in the culture you follow and the celebrities you worship. You were taught who to respect. You were taught who to hate. You were taught what success looks like and what failure means. Think about that. How many of your dreams are really your own? Did you want them, or were they sold to you? The job, the house, the lifestyle, none of it is random. It was planted in your mind like a seed, long before you even realized it. They don't need to control your body. They don't need to lock you in chains. They only need to control one thing, your mind. And once they do, you'll walk yourself into the cage and call it freedom. You'll defend the very system that traps you. You'll laugh at people who question it. You'll say, I'm free, I can do what I want. But the truth? You're following a script written for you before you were even born. The most dangerous manipulation is the one you never notice. When you don't see it, you don't resist it. You obey, you accept. You live someone else's life while believing it's your own. So the next time you make a choice, stop. Ask yourself, is this really mine? Or is this the programming speaking through me? Because until you break free from the hidden manipulation that controls every decision you make, you will never truly live.